What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I wanted to make a short one for you guys today on the 0 to 60 times with the launch control in this thing. So I think the launch control is pretty much just meant for the drag strip, like a prep surface is what I mean. But there's different RPMs that you could launch at. You could go from 1200 all the way up to 3300. And I just want to test out the 0 to 60 times that'll get starting from different RPMs. So I want to start all the way up here because that sounds like the most fun, but I feel like it won't hook that good, but we'll see. Go ahead and activate launch control, 3300 RPMs. Okay, just wanted to spin the tires. It literally just spun the tires like it was trying to do a burnout. So, okay, let's redo that at 3000 RPMs instead. All right, launch control from 3000. It's decent, but this vehicle could do so much better. So we're gonna try and launch from 2600 now and see what we get. Seconds better than the previous. So it seems the lower we go, the better it's becoming, or maybe we're just warming up the tires. Either way, we're gonna go down to, let's try 2200 before we go to 2000 RPMs. All right, 2200, here we go. Wow, 4.5 on that one. So it just keeps getting better. All right, let's see what we get at 2000 RPMs. Again. So that's pretty good. That's solid. That's usually what you get with this car. I've gotten hit to my best is 4.1, as you can see. Right now I'm going to try 1200. That's the lowest that we can go and see what we get. And then I'm going to go all the way back up to 3000 just to see if the tires need to be warmed up. Michael. New text message from Michael, by the way. All right. That one was 4.6, so that wasn't as good. So I'm gonna go back around. We're gonna do one last launch and we'll see what we get on 3000 RPM. That was a 4.7. So it seems like this car really does shine between like 2000 and 2200 RPM when you launch it. So that's usually what I do if I am doing it by myself without the launch control. I usually just do like 2000 RPMs and then I launch it from there. I've gotten 4.2, 4.3, you know, anything between 4 seconds or 4.1 seconds, since that's my best, and 4.6. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching this short video that I put together for you. And if you want to see more, subscribe if you haven't. Let me know down in the comments what you guys want to see next, and I'll be sure to get back to you.